to the piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Molossus from Batman Begins. It goes like this. Repeat it, but I'm just going to teach you a little bit of it, mostly because it's a very hard song. Well, not very hard, but most bits are pretty easy, but the beginning of it is pretty hard. So, for the first part of the round, there are 4 parts of the song. First part, for the round we've got a few chords. So the first chord is ADF, A C sharp E, ADF, G, and A C sharp E, and then that's it. Then for the left hand we've got D octave, or just D, then D F A D, and then E octave or E, and then E A C sharp E, and then D octave or D, D F A D, E octave or E, C sharp octave or C sharp. Okay, so putting those two hands together, we've got ADF and D, and Ds, and then we've got DF, AD, AC sharp E and E, octave, EAC sharp E, ADF and D, DF, AD, AEG and E octave, C sharp octave and AC sharp E. Don't get put off by this bit simply because it's very hard. Of course you can always skip it if you want, because most of the song is made up of the. But I just thought I'd teach you a bit more of it because it's very exciting. It's a very exciting song. So this is just only the starting bit, and then the rest of it is relatively easy because first after this we've got D, C, A, B flat, C and G for the right hand, and for the left hand we've just got the same notes and octaves rocking. So, like that, okay? So we've got D and D octave, C and C octave, A and A octave, B flat and B flat octave, C and C octave, and then G and G octave. So you can't see a bit of this, but you know it's just G octave, so middle C is here, down low C, and then this G, and then the other G, like that, okay? So now, after that bit, we've got my favourite part, which is so we've got D A, D D A, D D A, D D, C sharp D E, so. And the left hand is really simple because we've just got D's. Okay, so we've got D and DA. So we've just got DA. So D and DA. Like that, okay? And then for the fourth and last part, we've got, so we're going to do the third part twice. So then now we've got the last part, which is a DF, which is going to be made for the right hand is DFE, DF, DFE, DF, DFE, DF, DF, EFG. Okay, and we're only going to do that once, and then you're going to go up to this A, so like that, okay? And then for the left hand, we've got just D, so it's DF and D. Sorry, I got that wrong. B to the E, and sometimes that takes a little bit of practice. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my lesson, and please like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more.